Welcome to our exploration of the plant cell. Today, we'll learn about the different parts of a plant cell and their functions. Let's dive in. Plant cells are indeed the fundamental units of plants, and they share similarities with animal cells, such as having a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. However, the presence of a cell wall outside the cell membrane is a unique characteristic that distinguishes plant cells from animal cells. Just like different organs within the body, plant cell structure includes various components known as cell organelles that perform different functions to sustain itself. This is a labeled diagram of a plant cell, highlighting the main organelles. Let's take a closer look at the different parts of a plant cell. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall made of cellulose, which provides structural support and protection against mechanical and osmotic stress. Animal cells lack a cell wall, having only a cell membrane. The cell membrane is present in both plant and animal cells. It separates the interior of the cell from its external environment. In plant cells, the cell membrane is located inside the cell wall. And here we have the nucleus, the heart of the plant cell. It's often called the control center because it holds the cell's precious DNA. This DNA is like the instruction manual for the entire cell, guiding everything it does, from growth and development to day-to-day functions. See this smaller and denser area? That's the nucleolus. Its main job is to create ribosomes. And what are ribosomes? Well, they're the protein factories of the cell, responsible for building all the essential proteins required for proper functioning of the cell. Now, let's talk about the amazing chloroplast, the engine of plant life. These tiny green factories are the sites of photosynthesis. Chloroplasts capture light energy from the sun and convert it into chemical energy in the form of sugars. These sugars are the plant's food source, providing energy for growth, reproduction, and all the other amazing things plants do. Chloroplasts are what make plants unique. Animal cells don't have them, which is why we can't make our own food like plants can. And now, let's take a look at this prominent feature in a plant cell, the vacuole. It's like a large, fluid-filled storage tank that occupies a significant portion of the cell's space. This multi-talented organelle not only stores water, nutrients, and waste, but also helps the plant stand tall. By regulating the pressure inside the vacuole, it keeps the plant firm and prevents wilting. Now, let's move on to the Golgi apparatus. It's like the cell's post office, responsible for packaging and shipping proteins. After proteins are made in the endoplasmic reticulum, they travel to the Golgi apparatus. Here, they undergo further processing and sorting. Let's not forget the mighty mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. These bean-shaped organelles are essential for generating energy. Through the process of cellular respiration, mitochondria break down sugar molecules and convert them into ATP, the cell's primary energy source. This energy fuels all cellular activities. Now, let's turn our attention to the lysosome, a small but mighty organelle that acts as the cell's recycling center. Lysosomes contain powerful enzymes that can break down various cellular components, such as worn-out organelles, damaged proteins, and even invading pathogens. They help keep the cell clean and tidy by efficiently disposing of unwanted materials. Finally, let's explore the intricate world of the endoplasmic reticulum. It's a vast network of interconnected membranes that plays a central role in protein synthesis and transport. The endoplasmic reticulum extends throughout the cell, connecting different organelles and facilitating the movement of proteins and lipids. It's like a vast highway system, ensuring efficient transport within the cell.